Welcome to another video. So today it's gonna be MM2 part episode 4. So let's enjoy and watch till the end. Let's go. I think that was same word. Oh. So guys, I'll update you why this is the day why I hate a video because PLDT don't have internet. Oh, there's so many players. I think there's some one more than the other player going to be. I'm gonna be Tagalog version. Oh no, Tagalog version. The order is bacon. The mord is bacon. Kill him. Kill him, bro. What the? Sheriff is no, bro. No. Ala? Sheriff di marunong. Lal. LOL. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. This is bad. She's following me. She's following me pala. Finally, bro. A good aim. But for real, it's bad aim. There's someone threatening me. Ulag. I can. Ay, naka. Workplace. Baka naman, workplace na yan. Ayaw nila mag-workplace. Takot na sila. Sana naman maging akong murderer or sheriff. Oh my god, innocent again. A bacon was lagging. Oh no, oh no. This is, oh my god. Ay no, there's so many players. Oh, this one is lagging. Oh my god, ang tulag. Di pa namatay. Galing mag-juke ah. Parang patay ang matres. Ito yung bacon, no? Iyon guys. 595. Oh, this murder is a mobile player. This gonna be win or lose. Who's the sheriff? Sheriff is a noob. Oh my god. Only one player. This is gonna be 1v1. Oh my. Patay. Kill him. What? A nice aim, sheriff. Oh my. Di pa namatay. Galing ah. Galing ng dalawang to ah. Parehas kasing bacon sir eh. Patay. Bisik. Oh my god. What's happening? Mama. Ano na yung garaw? Uy, 374. Not bad. Hotel 2 siya. Matik na yan. Kill 2. Nice. Oh, Jasper. 841. This Donkali is so lag like a cheater when he's lagging. Haha. God, this is bad because oh my God. Ayaw ko na maging innocent. Baka naman MM2. Pagod na ako maghintay. Baka naman. Bigyan mo naman ako MM2. Pagod na akong masal. Oh my God. A monkey's crying, bro. Oh my God. What's that, bro? Donkali. The sheriff. Oh! The warden and sheriff same die. Eight or one. It's gonna be this win. Oh well. Oh, so many bacon. What bacon here? So many. 1, 2, 3. There's 3 bacon here in the server. My God! I'm murderer. Narila balat din. I'm the best murderer here. This is gonna be bad, man. My God, why I throw it? Nice! I'm gonna kill this player. All the player here was gonna be die. Ay, yes. Patay. Layo nang narating para namatay. Muntikan. Lah. This gonna be bad. Oh my God! You kill me. Oh my God. That was so hard, bro. I think I'm noob at murderer because this is my day. This is the last day I'm playing MM2 because the PLDT Wi-Fi is no have internet because I don't know why the internet in the PLDT no have a don't care. Ay naka. Baka naman dyan, tulungan nyo ako mag 1K subscribe. Magkaroon na ako ng PC. Sheriff, lakas ko talaga. Ay naka, what's the word here? I think this bacon the sheriff before the game. But after I'm sheriff. Woohoo! Oh my God. I think this is suspicious, this guy. Wait. Oh my God. Huwag nyo naman ako patayin. Ngayon lang naging sheriff. Baka mamatay. Lah. Uy, wa. Don't kill me, please. Oh my God, this is so hard. So many players in this server. Oh my God. I'm so really kaba. I think the more it's don't be killed. Oh my God, so many player moving like a noob. Wait. I think the bacon girl is more that one. Oh my God, who's the more in here? Who are the more? Please let me know. Oh, the more. My God, so dami player here. Bakit na?
Sabi ng Robin.
Wala. Oh my god. So many. Oh, 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 oh! That was so really suspicious. Sabi na nga ba eh. That pala, pinatay ko na. Una pa lang eh. Di ko agad alam eh.
Baka naman busy eh.
Sobrang pa. Uy! Bakang ne! Tinanay ni! Takbo. Ano pa tayo? Basic. Finally. This one is so noob. He try na kill me. Oh my god. Nice. Sige. Uy, manalbe ako.
Maliguan.
Nakamanalbe ya. Turning on na. Ini, house 2 syempre. Baka naman, house 2 na yan. Oh. A cheaters here. Joke lang. Oh my god. So many cheater joke. So many laggers. Wow, another sheriff, man. Sheriff naman. Astig niyan. My god.
Pasod na eh.
Hindi. My god. Let me know. My god. That is basic.
May one shot yan. No internet connected.
Mag-join ka ako ah.
Bakit?
Wala, cheater ka.
Hindi naman cheater.
Tinggal mo na. Gi-join na ka. Ay, hindi pala pwede dad. Maka-no-one niya.
Pero ito sa activities.
Wait lang. Baka naman mail base na yan.
Saan man ito nakasariling server?
My god. This is so hard, man. I'm really scared right now. My god. Why innocent naman dyan? Bakit naman? Why naman ganyan? I think so many. Oh my god. Who is the sheriff and murder? I'll kill him. I'm the murder and sheriff. I have gun and knife. I can fix this. I can get that and this gun. I can. Oh my god. I know the word right now. Oh my god.
Bakit?
That was so really hard for me. Why naman ganyan? I'll pursue Jasper 841.
Sasabi kasi tingnan natin ang connection.
My god. Bus TC. This is really. Baka naman, sheriff, patay mo na itong si Jasper. Oh, the sheriff is coming. Patay. My god.
Patay.
Naman, patay na siya. Patay na yung sheriff. Patay nga, muntikan pa. Easy blocks. Wow, nice skin. Only frozen. But not bad. At least may skin. Di katulad mo, walang skin. Paano ba makakuha ng skin? Punta lang sa Blacksboard. Blacksboom. Ay, di pala. Ano pala? Luger.gg. There's you can buy a high swing for 200 petot. this is this guy have Robux, but he's move like a noob. Oh my god, that was so trash talkers. I know the sheriff. Oh my god. Why she leave? The sheriff leave. Oh my god. Really bad. Sheriff, baka naman. Ba't ka nag-leave? Oh my god. Oh my. Please don't. Oh my god. That was so scary. Oh. You are murder. Oh. Ooh. Oink. May naman, no? I think that is the more that bacon gear. He'll fake all them. I'm gonna use this teddy bear to kill them. But knock them down. My nadjudjok ko na pala yung murder. Pinatay naman ako. Lagot na dun. Murder, pahita mo na. Ay! May sabi na nga ba eh. Siya ang murderer eh. Suspicious siya eh. Tapos yung sheriff naman nag-live eh. Paano yan? The sheriff is not in the server. Where she live. He live pala. Sheriff, baka naman bigyan mo na sa akin gun mo. Kung mapatay ko tong murderer na ito. Nakakatakot movement niya eh. Joke lang. Data namang mahina yun eh. Let's gonna be hide and seek right now. I don't have any gun and the sheriff asleep.
Gunning, what are you?
So many players can't kill me here. I'm only the one right now because the other got killed. Oh, this is a new join with player, but only season 1 is skin. That was really bad. Pangalan, any color 3008. Sarah 13 alone. That is or the sheriff. I need the gun of sheriff. The murder is right here, right now. Oh my. Who's this drawing? I'm here, bro. Where the sheriff, man? Sheriff, where are you? Why you leave naman? Woo! Finally! I win! That was really nice, bro. Iro, Kadoro is come, sheriff. Why you here? Tattoo again eh. Tattoo ya ano? Mansion to. Oh my god. Wala na ang cheat, Dan. Nice. Pwede na yan. Kainin na ka mo. Oh my goodness. Murderer. No teaming. I'm gonna first the... My god. Oh my. Huwag naman ganyan, bro. Oh. Very suspicious. And that died. Tulag. Oh my god! Kalag! That was so weird. Why I died. lag kasi. Yaw ko na.